farm animals. Rooster, rooster, what do you see? I see a big cow looking at me. Big cow, what do you see? I see a hungry pig looking at me. Hungry pig, what do you see? I see a brown horse looking at me. Brown horse, what do you see? I see a woolly sheep looking at me. Woolly sheep, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a fuzzy cat looking at me. Fuzzy cat, what do you see? I see a white goat looking at me. White goat, what do you see? I see a rooster crowing in the morning.